Good morning, children. A warm welcome to the IT class. Today we are going to study lesson number 3 more on MS Paint. Paint is a simple graphic program to draw pictures on the screen and paint them with beautiful colors. It is frequently called MS Paint. This program is a part of Windows accessories. It is a feature in the Windows OS that you can use to draw, color and edit pictures. You can use paint like a digital sketchpad to make simple pictures or even to create creative projects. You can use paint to add a text and design to other pictures, such as those captured through digital camera. There are tools to draw line, rectangle, circle and other shapes. Moreover, you can make freehand drawings. The best feature of MS Paint is that you can store pictures drawn in paint on a storage device. If you are working with a partner on a computer in a lab, offer him or her the mouse and keyboard so that he or she can make the best drawings. Opening Paint. To open Paint, follow these steps. Type Paint in the search box of the taskbar. Click Paint from the options. The Paint window opens. Quick Access Toolbar. Its main purpose of the Quick Access Toolbar is to store the frequently used commands and buttons in one place. It can also be customized according to the need. To add a command to this toolbar, right-click on the Add to Quick Access Toolbar option. It can be placed on the bottom or top of the ribbon. Tabs. Paint has two tabs. The Home tab includes the image editing tools that you can use to modify the image. The second tab is View. The buttons found here change the way the image is displayed to assist you making changes. Ribbon. In computer interface design, a ribbon is a graphical control element in the form of a set of toolbars placed on several tabs. The typical structure of a ribbon includes large tab toolbars filled with graphical control elements grouped by functionality. Canvas. Paint uses a canvas, a resizable area that holds the work that will be saved into a picture. When entering the size of the canvas, if the user enters a negative number, Paint interprets the number incorrectly and creates an extremely large canvas. Starting a new drawing. To start a new drawing, follow these steps. Click the File tab. Select New from the menu options. If you haven't saved your previous drawing, a dialog box opens asking if you want to save your previous drawing. Choose your desired action. If you click the Don't Save option, a new canvas appears. Saving a new drawing. To save a drawing, follow these steps. Click the File tab. Select Save from the menu options. The Save As dialog box appears. Type a name for the drawing. Click the Save option. The file will be saved on the computer. If you make any changes to the drawing after saving the file, to save, click on the Quick Access Toolbar to save those changes. Press Ctrl+S to save a drawing. Opening a saved drawing. Sometimes we like to view a previously saved file or make changes to it by adding more objects to the drawing or beautifying it further. Let us see how to open a saved drawing. To open a saved drawing, follow these steps. Click the File tab. Select Open from the menu options. The Open dialog box appears. Go to the location where the drawing is saved. Select the drawing. Click Open. The selected drawing opens on the canvas. Press Ctrl+O to open a drawing. I hope you all have understood Paint window and how to open Save Drawing. In the next session, we will be studying selecting an object.